my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video, and this one is gonna be fun. So I have an accessory video for you guys. So today's video is sponsored by a new sponsor on this channel. It is Be Kind. I have some accessories for you, and this just kind of goes back to me kind of speaking things into existence. One of the ladies that I follow here on YouTube that I love to watch is Jillian. And I remember watching her channel, and she was doing a video on I think it was a thrift haul, right? And then but it was a sponsored video, and Be Kind was sponsoring the video, and so she was showing the pieces that she got from Be Kind, and I was like, oh my gosh, those are so dope. I want those. I love those. And lo and behold, I spoke it into the atmosphere and the Lord delivered. So I'm grateful to them for even reaching out to me. I didn't reach out to them. I literally just said in my mind, like, I would love to work with them. Like, those pieces are dope. You know what I'm saying? And they reached out to me, and that's just how good God is for me. That's how he works. And so I'm just grateful. I want to thank Be Kind for sending over the pieces that I'm going to share with you all today, but they are the sponsor for today's video. So full circle moment there. I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and get into the accessories that they sent over. So you guys know I'm major into accessories. I am kind of complex though when it comes to accessories. I either love them like over the top, dramatic, or super simple. There's kind of, I don't know. I just have my moods, right? And I go up and down with them. But one thing is clear, I love them of all kinds, right? I love big earrings. I love small earrings. I love dainty pieces. I love gaudy pieces. I love all the pieces. And so a lot of times I will mix and match such things. Like this ring here is kind of dainty. This one is very gaudy. You know what I'm saying? My earrings are very bold, but my necklaces are very modest. So I love to incorporate and mix pieces of jewelry like that. And so I think that the pieces that I have today to share with you from Be Kind are going to be so perfect for my aesthetic and the way that I like to wear my jewelry. So without further ado, I want to show you what I got. Let's get into the packaging first of all. Like, here's what all my pieces came in, and it's just, the name of the brand is Be Kind, and this is 100% recyclable mailer, and I love that. You can find them on Instagram at save.bees.shop, and the website is www.bekind.shop. I love the packaging. First of all, I love bees. Like, I think that they're so cool. I love the whole beehive. I love the whole honeycomb. Like, one, because my name is Brandie and my initials B, and so like Queen Bee, that whole thing like that, like I'm into it. And y'all know I'm a kid at heart. I love animated movies. I love children's movies. So the Bee movie, like, love it. Seen it I don't even know how many times. So I'm all the way here for all the things. And so this was a really cool, like, full circle moment. I'm so grateful to be working with them. Let me show you some of the things that come in your package. This is just an envelope here. In the envelope, you do get this beautiful letter from them thanking you for your purchase. And it also lets you know that a portion of your purchase is contributed towards saving bees and helping them to develop colonies safely. So I think that's super cool. It's always great when you can support a brand that has a greater cause. I think when you know the cause behind the brand, you're more apt to give to it, and I think that that's great. So I love that they are making you aware of what they're here for and the things that they support. Also, there are some discounts on the back of these coupons as well. So if you share your love and all that, you can tag them and all those things, and they'll probably feature you. I don't know. But also in here are a bunch of stickers, and I told y'all I'm such a kid at heart, so I love stuff like this. This one says, "Don't worry, be happy." Super cute. This one says, "You're amazing." This one says, "You're my sunshine, my only sunshine." And then this one says, "Honey." And then this one just says, "Be kind." I love stuff like this, y'all. I really feel like in another life I was a scrapbooker, because I love stickers and all things like super cute and small, and just, so this is all, I love this kind of stuff. The packaging, everything is so on brand and just on point, down to every little detail, including the mailer, and I love that. So I love that. Let's see what we've got in here, y'all. This packaging, when I tell you the packaging, OMG. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Just look at this. It says handcrafted with love. so dope, and all of the pieces are in those little cute boxes like that. I just can't. So I got 2 sets of jewelry, like two sets, so they come in full sets. And you can also buy these pieces individually as well. If you find a piece that you just like, you know, you're like, I don't need the whole set, but I do want that one piece, you can definitely do that. This one says, especially for you. Y'all, this packaging is just so cute to me. I'm gonna show you each set and how they all come. So they come with, the one that I'm gonna show you first comes with a necklace, earrings, and a ring. So the first one is this little bead set, and what, I kid you not, I've seen this necklace and earring set 100 times and I've wanted it, and I don't know why I've never pulled the trigger, because it's so me. But let me show you the necklace first, and I'm gonna take my jewelry off so that I can show you guys these pieces, because baby, they're so good. Super good. Super good. The packaging is A1. They send everything so that it doesn't get all scratched up. Okay, so here is the necklace, and it is, as you can see, like dripping honey with a bee on top. Y'all, why is this so bomb? Just why is this so bomb? The bee on top with a little stinger and the textured wings, it's the details that are so amazing. Like, y'all, that is stunning. Stunning. Oh my goodness. So there's that, and it does come with an adjustable necklace. What I love about this piece is that the necklace, the like honeycomb and all of that, is yellow gold, right? It's sterling silver dipped in yellow gold. But then the necklace is actually silver, so it gives you an opportunity to mix metals, which is something that I've been trying to get into. So I love that. It kind of takes the hard work out of it for you, because the piece comes with both. You can mix and match very easily, and I love that. So there's the necklace to this set. This earring set, though, I don't think you're ready. I just don't think that you're ready. Here is the earring set. This I have seen so many times and absolutely loved it. I love the fact that it's mismatched. You've got one earring that is a bee, and then the other that is a honey drip with just a diamond stud. I love this set so much, and I love that it's different. Like, so cute. I'm obsessed, y'all. Like, obsessed. Of course, I'm gonna try this on so you guys can see everything, of course, but I'm just so into it. I think that it is super cute. The last piece of this set is just a ring, and this is what the ring looks like. Again, that's honey, dripping honey there, and then the bee is on top. This ring is super cool because it is an adjustable ring, but it doesn't look like cheap, which is what I love. I hate the adjustable ones that look like they're cheap. This one isn't like that. It's just adjustable because there's an opening at the bottom. It doesn't have those 2 prong parts that go together, which is what makes adjustable rings look cheap to me. But this is so good. So we're gonna try this set on. I'll be back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, y'all, first of all, when I say obsessed, that's exactly what I mean. I mean obsessed. Like, get into it's this earring for me. It's the earrings for me. Like, what? This is my kind of jewelry. Like, I'm so obsessed. And here is the ring. Doesn't it go perfectly with my other ring? Like, it just goes so well with my aesthetic. Like, look at this. This is perfect. I'm like, y'all, like, I feel like when you look at it, you're like, that could be, you know, that could be interesting, or that could be different or whatever. But this is so, like, good. Like, you look at it and you're like, bees, like, who's wearing that? Me. Like, I feel like when I'm wearing this, it doesn't look childish. It doesn't look gimmicky. It looks so good, and it's well made. The quality is A1. It feels amazing. It's weighted. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't look cheap. It doesn't present cheap. Like, this earring got me going, y'all. I ain't even gonna hold you. Like, I'm so into this. and it ties so well with my little outfit today, my little giving you Burberry. It's not Burberry, but it's giving Burberry, correct? Right. This is from the Goodwill, but it's giving Burberry. But everything just ties so well together. I love this ring. I really do. And again, it is adjustable because as you see here, there's no closing. So if your finger is larger or smaller, you could just squeeze it together, but it's still a substantial ring. It's not cheap. It's weighty. This is such a cute set to me. I love this so much. I'm so obsessed. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with this. I almost don't want to take it off. I'm going to show you the next set and then we'll try it on so that you can see it as well. It is just as impressive. It is just as impressive, but it features honeycombs, which y'all. Of course, it's in the same beautiful packaging. We'll start with the earrings first on this one. Here are the earrings on this one, and they're just little honeycombs, which again, if you know me, I can tend to be simple in my everyday wear as far as jewelry is concerned. So when I saw these, I was like, I have to have those. These little honeycombs just gonna sit so perfectly on my little earlobe, and I love that for me. Yes. This set also has a ring, and it is just this beautiful honeycomb shaped ring. Again, it's adjustable because it's not a full ring, right? Which I love this. I love I love a big ring, like a wide band. And so for me, this is so dope, and it's gonna pair perfectly with my everyday type of jewelry. This is something that I could wear every single day, and it would be beautiful and it would look fine. I don't even know that when you look at it, you would say, oh, that's a honeycomb she's wearing, right? It's just a nice piece of jewelry. Love that for me. And then the last piece is a necklace, and here is what it looks like. It's just a heart, again, with the two-toned metals. You've got the silver. All of it is sterling silver, but some of it is dipped in yellow gold. So you've got the silver honeycomb and then the gold heart with the bee on there. And this necklace is gold. So I just love it. Like, I love it. I'm going to try this one on. And let you guys see what this set looks like on. I'm so excited. And here's the second set. I love it. Like, I really do. My favorite pieces from this set are actually the earrings and the ring. The necklace is a little big. Like, I like mine to be more like dainty. But I do like it a lot. But my favorite pieces from this set are the ring and the earrings. They just do something for me. And again, they're very minimal, but they're still giving what they're supposed to give. And that's what I'm here for. This ring, I will wear this often. Like, I will wear this often because I just love it. I do. I love it. And it pairs so well with this ring here from the other set. It just looks good. I love it. I love it. I love these earrings. So if I'm gonna be honest, like, my favorite set, I feel like you can tell which one is my favorite. My favorite one is the first set. I love that golden drip honey. Like, that is just everything to me. And the quality, I love that every piece is sterling silver and every piece is like marked very nicely. You can tell it is well crafted. I mean, look at, this is the back, but it's marked as, you know, sterling silver. So good. I just love the quality of the other set a little bit better than this second set, and not necessarily for the ring and the earrings, because the ring and the earrings are great quality. The only thing that I'm not obsessed with as much as is the necklace. The quality of this necklace seems a little bit less than every other piece, right? Every other piece in both collections is like, mwah. This necklace is the only one that I'm like, it's okay, it's cute, I'll wear it, but it's not my favorite. But everything else, hands down, I'm so obsessed. If I had to say pick one thing or one collection, of course, okay. If you were to ask me which collection should you get, I would say the bee collection, right? With the dripping honey. If you were to say what one piece from either set, ooh, I don't know, because y'all, that dripping earring with honey, the mismatched earring set is, ooh, but that necklace and ooh, this ring, I don't know, just get the bee honey set. It's fire. It's fire. It's fire. I love the honeycomb set, but the bee honeycomb set, I love every piece just as much as I love the other. So that's my conclusion. Y'all, I'm so thrilled. I love all of the pieces. Be sure and check them out. Of course, I'll have everything linked down below in the description box for you. Again, we want to thank them for sending over the pieces in today's video. Please be kind, love on each other, share with each other, and keep your hands to yourself. I love you. We'll see you next time. Bye.